Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Encountering the this channel can't be displayed error on Telegram. Here's how to fix. First of all, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause this error. Next, try closing and reopening the Telegram app. This can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, go to settings, tap on data and storage, then select storage uses, clear the cache to free up space and refresh the app. Make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Head to your app store and update the app if needed. Still having trouble? Try accessing Telegram on a different device like the desktop version to see if the issue persists. Following these steps should fix the "this channel can't be displayed" error. If it's still not working, try reinstalling the app. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.